Hello guys, tonight we are going to do the unboxing of the GL703G laptop from ASUS. That has an i7 8760. So for the beginning I must say that this laptop has 8 GB of RAM and it has 6-core processor i7 from the 8th generation, and also it has the, I don't know if you can see, it has one HDD of 1 terabyte and SSD of 128 gigabytes. Also, the video card that is on this laptop is the GTX 1060 from the Nvidia. So let's start with the unboxing. Okay, this laptop has a nice box, so it looks very nice, and the laptop, it has this bag that is from a material that is protecting it. So for the beginning we are going to see what is in the package. I'm going to put the laptop in the right and let's see what is in this. Okay. Okay, so in this box we have a nice colorful set of badges for the laptop, as you can see, inclusive the not disturb. That's quite nice to have. User manual and one CD with the drivers for the ASUS ROG STRIX GL703G, Republic of Gamers. Okay, so we will put those in the left side and let's see what is in the smaller package. Okay, so the smaller package is something to, I don't know, clamp on the laptop, and I really don't know what could be the use of this. So until we will figure out for what is used, we are going to put it apart and see what we still have in this very dark box. Okay, so in the right side it seems that we don't have anything. It's only here for design. Beneath this one, the same is empty, and on the left side we have the power charger of the laptop. Okay, those laptops are usually quite power demanding, therefore we are going to need to plug it in to be able to start it. Therefore we are going to first find a power socket and plug the power charger in the power socket. So one moment. Okay, I think now we have the power supply near us. Let's move the box out of our way and let's move further with the unboxing of the laptop. Okay, everywhere we see the ASUS logo and the text Republic of Gamers, so that tells us that this is a gaming laptop. And as you can see, the logo is printed out on the laptop itself also, and on the lower part of the laptop. I don't know if it's readable due to the light in this room. And as you can see, the buttons can be seen when the laptop is closed, and the thickness of the laptop is only of 2.4 millimeters, so it's quite thin laptop. And the black back plate of it is from plastic, this part, and the part of the display seems to be from steel. It says that it's gun plated steel, you know. Okay, so this is the 17-inch version, like I said, and it looks like this. Let's have a closer look at it. You can see the touchpad has some nice markings on it. It says that it is an i7 of 8th generation. Also, it has the buttons that we already are familiar with for the ROG version of the laptops. And we have here some sockets, and on this other side also. Okay, my camera wasn't focusing very well, but now it seems to be okay. Okay, let's put the laptop down and plug it in. Okay. And let's power it up. As you can see, the keyboard has 4-zone RGB light, so it's quite colorful. And the display is a display with I don't know how to call it. Probably it's the best is to call it TN type of monitor with 120 hertz for the refresh. Okay, so here it says that it's the CPU i7 8750. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to. Okay, and that it has 8 gigabytes of RAM, and that the video card is the Nvidia GTX 1060 of the 6 gigabytes of graphic DDR5. Okay, so this was the unboxing, the first part of it. The next part would be on the next clip, where I'm going to try to benchmark this laptop. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!